our first epic showdown in the realm of packing. In this corner, the reputation of durability, organization, and compression, we have Eagle Creek. We've got the large size here, and then we have the medium size. In our second corner, we've got Hefty. It's a Shrink Pak Travel. Both of these, the Hefty and the Eagle Creek, are available on Amazon. The links are below. Let the packing war begin. Our first contender is our Eagle Creek. They're known for their high quality materials, and seasoned travelers all over the world use them. One of the great things is they're very durable, they're nylon, they're water resistant, they've got really efficient compression where it'll come out, the air will come out the bottom. It's transparent, so it's easy to see what's inside, and you've got peace of mind because Eagle Creek has a lifetime warranty, which is almost unheard of. This is our underdog. It is the Hefty Shrink Pak Travel. Double closure, fast and easy tab. You don't have to use a vacuum. So that is one of the things that when you are looking for a compression bag, do not get one that you have to use a vacuum for, because you're not gonna bring a vacuum with you on vacation. You already are trying to compress space. You don't need to carry a vacuum. These are very budget friendly. These are super practical. There are 5 large bags. So when you look at those large bags, this is the Hefty large bag. Let's go ahead and compare it to the medium size Eagle Creek. Okay, it's a little bigger in the width, but it's about the same in the length. It's time for the battle to begin. I have ski pants along with a large sweatshirt. I'm going to put that in one of them. The other one is also going to get a pair of ski pants and a large sweatshirt. Let's do this. We've got the medium size Eagle Creek. Pants are in. And the large sweatshirt. Let's go ahead and do the same with the Hefty. Now this is considered large. Ski pants. Sweatshirt. Here's Hefty. Eagle Creek. No compression yet. Eagle Creek. Listen closely. You can hear the air coming out of the bottom. We've got Eagle Creek. Here we go. Let's use Hefty. I think we've got it. Here's the compression with the Hefty. Looks pretty good. Here it is. We have Eagle Creek. We've got Hefty. Side by side. Who do you think won? Eagle Creek, Hefty. Great contenders. Both of them compressed. They do the job. It's going to be ultimately up to you which one makes sense for you. This one is a little bit more cost effective. You get 5 of them, but I don't think it's going to last as long as an Eagle Creek. This one is probably over 6 or 7 years old now. I've been using it every time I go somewhere that I have to bring something bulky. I want to make sure that I have plenty of room in my suitcase. It is a lifetime warranty. It's super durable. You don't even know that I've been using it. It has no wear or tear with it at all. So for me, Eagle Creek is the winner. Do you use compression cubes? Have you tried Hefty? Have you tried Eagle Creek? Comment below and let me know. Do you have a favorite you'd like me to review? If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks and safe travels.